Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back after a long puja vacation. Hope all of you have enjoyed those days. So, before starting my today's class, I wish you all Shubho Bijaya. Dear students, in your previous classes, all of you have learned the difference between these and those. So, I hope that all of you have understood the difference between these and those. So, today we are going to do an exercise on these and those. Dear students, before starting today's class, all of you write CW and date on the top corner of your copy. CW and write today's date 22.10.21 and on the heading write these 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 and THOSE those and those. Now let us once again recall the difference between these and those. We say these when some things which are near to us. More than one thing. More than one thing means many things. When many things are near to us. See, near. Here is the stick man and it is near. These all are near to this stick man. So we will say THESE these. So these means things. More than one thing means many things near to us. That time we will use THESE these. And next, those. When we will use those? We will use those when more than one thing means many things. More than one thing means many things which are far from us. See, these mangoes are far from this stick man. These mangoes are far from this stick man. So we will say THOSE those. So near many things means THESE these and far away many things means THOSE those. Okay. Now let us do the exercise. Let's see what we have to do. We have to circle the correct options. So let us read the heading. CIR sir, CLE circle, THE the, CORRECT correct, OP op, TIONS shuns options. So what we have to do? We have to circle the correct options. So before doing this, let us read the sentences. Number 1. Here it's written these and those. In the bracket, it's these and those. Means from here we have to choose the correct option. ARERFLOWERS flowers. Many means flowers we will use as, right? We have already learned it when we have learned one and many. I hope you have remembered, right children? So these / those are flowers. Now see the picture children. Here is the stick man. These flowers are near to him or far from him? What do you think? It's near or far? Yes, you are absolutely right. It's far from him. These flowers are far from the stick man. So what we will do? Which is the correct one? These or those? Tell me. Yes, you are absolutely right. Here, those. Those is the correct one. So here we will circle those. We will circle those. So the answer is those are flowers. Those are flowers. Next, number 2. In the bracket, it's written these and those. So these are two options. ARER, ERA, S-E-R-S, erasers. These, those are erasers. Now look at the picture, children. These erasers are near to the stickman or far from stickman? Tell me. Yes, you are absolutely right. These erasers are near to the stickman. So which one is the correct option? These or those? Very good. Here the correct option is THEAC, these. So we will circle these. These are erasers. These are erasers. So children, I have done number 1 and 2 for you all. Number 3, 4, 5, 6 is your homework. Number 3, 4, 5, 6 is your homework. You will do it by yourself without taking any help. Okay?